Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome to the part number 3. So in this one, we're going to actually talk about really interesting stuff. We're going to talk about page creation. I'm going to show you how do you create pages, basic opt-in pages, and sales funnels and stuff like that. Because in the previous parts, I talked about lead generation strategies. We talked about catchy headlines and stuff like that. So now it's actually time to see it in action. And again, I want to use System.io. That's the tool that I'm using, and it's really incredible and it's free. So link in the description, by the way, if you want to check it out. But with that being said, I actually want to show you how do you build a page or a funnel within this platform. So I have two things. Again, I want to show you an opt-in page creation, and also want to show you a tripwire, which is actually where you sell something. And what's really interesting about System.io is that you actually can deliver everything that you need. Everything you need is right there. It's not just about selling something. You can deliver a course. There's a course system in there. So there's an affiliate system, which we're going to talk about later on. But again, like everything you need is right there, which is really, really cool, and it makes your life a lot easier. And you can start for free, which is just absolutely amazing. So let's get into it. I want to show you all this stuff in detail. So let's get it started. Let's get into it. I want to start by going to my System.io account. You want to log in here, and from here you want to go to the funnel section. All right, and if you don't have any funnels, it's going to ask you to create one, and that's what you're going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and create a funnel here, and you're going to give it a name. I'm going to call this, let's say, ClickBank promo 2. All right, so you have a couple options. Like this is just like a very pre-built kind of system, but you can actually do a custom funnel as well. If you want to build something very different, you can do that. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go with the build an audience, because build an audience is basically just email generation, right? Email capture. And you literally can actually do that with that. It's just very simple. If you want to sell something, that's going to give you, if you select the sell option, it's going to give you a sales page, I believe, and then a checkout page and all that stuff. And again, the thing with this System.io is that it actually allows you to deliver courses right there in the platform. And also it has an affiliate program. It has a membership system, like course delivery. So it's like all in there. So you technically just everything you need for your business is right here. So it's really cool. But yeah, in this case, we're going to keep it really simple, keep it really clean. You can even do a evergreen webinars here, which is really awesome, by the way. That's something I'm doing for my business right now. I'm just testing it. But we're going to go with the audience here, and just going to create one. And as you see, it gives you like stage of the funnel. This is the squeeze page. This is the thank you page. So the squeeze page, I'm gonna go with something really simple. Let's find something really cool, simple. Let's see, something I can actually use, because I want to build an actual funnel here. So let's go ahead and do this. All right. So I'm just gonna select this option. So you can actually preview it if you want. Just shows you the thing, how it's gonna look. I'm gonna edit this, but yeah, so let's select it, and there you go. Just like that, you're gonna select it. You can actually choose a path if you want, and there's some settings here that you can check out. For example, you can do automation rules. So you can actually add a rule. For example, what happens if someone joined this, because one of the things that's very interesting about System.io is that it gives you an actual like email marketing system. It's right here, right? So you can actually integrate. It's like tightly integrated with itself, so you can actually do do a lot of interesting stuff with it. Like you can actually trigger something when someone visits a page, trigger something when someone joins the list. Like all this stuff, it can be done, and we will talk about it later on. But like you can do A/B testing if you want. You can create variants, which is really, really cool. It's really awesome. It's really helpful. And A/B testing is one of the cheapest ways, or the cheapest way, to really improve your business without having to pay more. Really, it's really amazing. So stats, you can like see how's your funnel doing, if it's generating any revenue, page views, opt-ins, stuff like that. Sales, if you're generating sales. Deadline settings. So I believe this is like a kind of urgency system that urges people to join, and if they don't, it's gonna expire. For example, it can redirect to a certain page or stuff like that. So very cool stuff. And here it shows you the leads that has been generated by this page. So with that being said, let's just go ahead. I'm gonna keep the name here, and just the URL is fine as well. And let's go ahead and just edit it. So I'm gonna get rid of the top section here. I don't want the top menu or either this one. And yeah, let's just delete this part as well. And I'm going to, let's see, top, I'm gonna just decrease the padding a little bit. I don't want it to be too much. And yeah, so let's get rid of the bottom as well. Again, I'm just trying to keep this very simple, as it's very easy to edit stuff. It's really easy to work with this system. It's really cool. So again, I'm just gonna give it a headline, all that stuff. So I'm just gonna skip this part. I don't want you to watch me like write headlines and stuff like that. We've talked about it, you know, so it's pretty simple. There you go. So just like that, guys, we're ready to go. I don't have anything else to add to this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this up. So instant access, again, I just want to make sure that we do this right. So save changes, just like that. I have my opt-in page. Take a look at this, guys. Beautiful, right? It looks really simple, nothing complicated. We don't have to do anything crazy, and it's all ready to go in minutes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back here. Okay, I'm going to build my thank you page now. And again, same thing, you just like choose a thank you page style. You can choose the same style. I'm not gonna you know, take your time here, but again, that's the idea. Really simple. You know, we have everything we need to build these incredible funnels here, and it can literally take minutes to build something like this. All right, so let's get into the interesting stuff. Because I want to actually show you how you can create a tripwire funnel. Now, if you remember when I was talking about funnel strategies, I'm looking at the list. I'm just want to see which video that I was talking about, like the lead generation section. You know, it was the previous videos. I've talked about funnel strategies, and I talked about tripwires, right? So the idea with a tripwire funnel is to sell a course for a very cheap price, like $5, $10. You can sell this course. You can source this course by buying PLRs, right? So you can buy something like this and sell it as a course and build a buyer list. This is very important, a buyer list. And you can use this buyer list to make more affiliate commissions, or you can sell more products to them in future, up to you. But again, that is the idea with a tripwire funnel, to get them to buy something so they're comfortable spending money with you, all right? And this is when it comes to the Systeme.io. This is where this like platform really shines, because you can build something like this without having to do anything. All you need is a Stripe account, which you can integrate with them, and then you're just good to go, and you can build this beautifully and like literally in minutes. All right, so I want to demonstrate that, because I demonstrated the page builder stuff, and I will do that a little bit here, but I just want to demonstrate like the features of this platform and how you can build something like this. All right, so let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is you actually want to integrate your actual you know, payment processor, which is Stripe. So with that, you want to go to the settings and do it. All right, so in this case, I've already done this. You can actually go to settings here, and you can just go to payment gateways, just like that, and you can just integrate your payment gateway just like that. And I've already done it, so I'm good to go. But again, it's a very simple process, nothing complicated. So when you do that, you want to go and start building. The first thing you want to do is you want to actually build a course, right? If you have your videos ready, obviously, or you have your content ready, you want to go to products and sell, and you want to go to courses. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create a new course, and just want to fill out this information. I'm just gonna call this a new system. Again, this is a very basic thing. I'm not actually deploying a course here, but I just want to demonstrate this for you. So how to build a successful email marketing business. There you go. So just like that. Again, this stuff doesn't matter. You can actually change the domain if you have a domain set up. Again, the rest of it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna go with the basic stuff. Instructor name, I'm just gonna put my name, and you can add a logo if you want. The rest of it doesn't matter. If you want to add a JavaScript or, you know, HTML, this is usually more for tracking. You know, if you have a Google script, or like if you have like a retargeting script or advertising script you want to add, just so you can do that. So sales page, you can actually add the sales page. I don't recommend doing that right now. I'll show you why. So I'm just gonna save this right here, and let's go ahead and look at the courses. There you go. So it just added. I don't know why we went to that page, but yeah, there you go. So we got the course here, and we gotta add a module now. So I'm gonna add a module. I'm just gonna call this module 1 start. Again, it's just where you add your course and stuff like that, right? So I'm just gonna add a lecture, so name video 1 start. Again, basic stuff. So I'm just gonna choose a simple page just like that and select that simple style, and there you go. And I'm just gonna add my content here. So I'm just, again, this is where you add all the content you need. I have a video here. I'm just gonna like replace the video just like that, and we're good to go. Again, I'm not gonna spend too much time with the content stuff. You already know how to do this stuff. But yeah, so that's just like that. We have a course and we're ready to go. All right, so you can actually go back to the settings and change stuff if you want, but with that, we're done here, and I'm gonna go to funnels and actually create the sales process. So I'm gonna create a funnel. I'm gonna call this a new system course. I'm just gonna say sell and create, just like that. We're ready to go. So one thing is that you want to add a sales page here. So you want to add create a step, because it gives you order form and also a thank you page. But I want to create a step. I'm going to call this sales page, and just like that, I'm going to say this is a sales page and save it. There you go. So I'm just going to drag this up here, and just like that, again, sales page, order form, thank you page, good to go. So we're gonna go ahead, and again, this is where you build your stuff, right? Build your sales page, like you add your sales video, stuff like that. I'm not gonna go through that again because you know how to do this stuff. It's very simple. The editor is super easy to use, right? You just have to like use it, and I showed you how. So what I want to show you is actually the order form, because this is where you actually integrate the course with the order form and everything. So I'm just gonna create a simple order form, like select this template. And here you add all the stuff that you need to add. All right, again, this settings are pretty similar to what I already showed you in the previous section. So I'm just gonna add the resource, which is a course. I'm just gonna select a course, and then we're gonna select the course that we want to sell, which we already did. We have it, and we're gonna say full access. So drip content is actually really awesome. So you basically, what you do is you slowly give access to the videos or modules of the course, which is really useful if you have a type of course that you want to sell that way. But I'm just gonna go with the full access. All right, so grant full access on a specific date. You can even do that stuff. Expiration, if you want to add expiration. So I'm good to go. I'm not gonna touch any of that. And next one is the price plan. So you want to give it a price. So you can actually, it's really interesting, you can actually create price plans in a sense that you can have like a predefined price for everything you sell, or you can add custom price plans. So in this case, I'm going to say one shot, basically a one-time payment. And I already have a price plan for another course that I'm selling, but I'm just going to create a new one. All right, so I'm going to call this new system, and price plan name used in dashboard, used in payment page. So I'm just going to say new system course. All right, descriptor, we're just gonna say Sean. Again, this is what's gonna show on their statement, you know, when they look at their credit card records. All right, type one shot, and then I'm gonna say a payment of $9, just like that. Save it. So now we got the price plan, which is the $9, and right here. So just like that, I'm gonna save this, and take a look, guys. My sales page is ready. There you go. I'm just selling this for $9, just like that. I'm ready to go. And then the thank you page and all that stuff, you can set that up, and then when someone purchases this content, they're going to actually access the course, and System.io is going to do everything. It's really amazing. I love this so much. It makes selling Tripwire funnels and products much easier. It just makes your life a lot simpler. And again, the good thing about this is you can actually start for free, so you don't have to pay anything. You don't have to go pay thousands of dollars or hundreds of dollars. Like ClickFunnels, $100 a month if I'm right. And then there's the option that includes all the stuff that you get here is actually $300 a month if they haven't changed it, right? So for example, in this case, you get an affiliate platform here. And if you want to access all the affiliate platform or course feature, all that stuff in ClickFunnels, you actually have to pay $300 a month. And in here, you can start for free. How amazing is that? It's really cool, and I love this very much. And again, eventually when you grow your business, you can get the premium options and have the ability to make more funnels and stuff like that. So it's really, really useful. Very good stuff. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you get some value from the part 3 of the course. Let me know if you have any questions. You can always leave a comment below, and also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I really appreciate it. I'm publishing a new part every single day, so if you want to see the previous one, there are links in the description. Also, the next ones are coming out in the next few days if they're not out yet. All right, so again guys, link to the system.io and link to the previous parts or the future parts of this course are in the description if you don't see it somewhere around here. Let me know if you have any questions. By the way, you can access a lot of other courses on Uversity. We have a lot of courses when it comes to copywriting. We have a lot of courses when it comes to building landing pages, the way super affiliates and like successful affiliate marketers build it. So if you want to learn all that stuff and a lot of other stuff, like when it comes to traffic generation, how to drive traffic to your funnel successfully and stuff like that, there you can access hundreds of courses, even courses about other things like investing. If you're into that stuff, you can access hundreds of courses on Uversity platform. I'm going to leave a link below as well to Uversity, so check it out. Again, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.